Laying on sandy beaches, cocktails in the sun, often aren't things you think about when you think of tax. However, often work trips or vacations could be tax deductible depending on the situation. If you take your family overseas and decide to visit a Boeing factory, say, because you're in the travel industry, that won't automatically make that whole trip tax deductible. We may be able to claim things relating to the trip to the factory, for example, your accommodation the night before, your taxis to and from. However, the flights for you over there probably won't be tax deductible. On the other hand, if you get sent on a work trip, doesn't necessarily mean that every single expense that you incur in that time are tax deductible. Things like alcohol, when you go out for the night, they won't be deductible. So it's important that you keep diary records and receipts for everything when you go, and then talk to us as to whether they are deductible or not. Remember, we need to consider the main purpose of the trip and what you did each day. So remember our 2 golden rules. Firstly, talk to us before you go. We can have a chat about whether something is tax deductible, and that way there's no surprises at the end of the year. Number 2, if in doubt, keep all your records. Keep your diary records, keep your receipts. I'd rather you had the receipts and we told you something wasn't deductible than we told you something was and you didn't have the records to back it. Happy travels!